anyway when it cooks. So it's not going to be perfect, but it's the best napkin I've tasted all year. Now, what we are going to do, remember I was talking about the aluminum foil? We're going to put some aluminum foil in here to protect her oven from having to be cleaned when we're finished. Okay? So with that, I'm going to grab some mittens. Pull this out. And then we're going to line her rack with this aluminum foil. Like I say, this is to make sure the sugars and all that other stuff from the peach cobbler don't find its way. They got the live TV, right? I'm going to take this out of here because it ain't acting right. Ta-da! See that? Now we're going to take this, and this is heavy, and we're going to place it right here in the center, just like that. And then this is going to cook for about 30 minutes. Then we'll come back and see what we have. See, we've already protected it. And that, my friend, is the beginning of our peach cobbler. When it's finished, we'll come back and let you see what the end results are. My friend will be tasting it, and she will let you know what it tastes like. I will be tasting it as well. Bon appetit.